Connections between people and places. People and places are connected in many ways. These connections help everyone work together, share things, talk, and get the services they need. This is how communities and societies grow. One super important way places connect is through transport. People use cars, buses, trains, or even taxis to zoom from one spot to another. Roads and paths help people travel between big cities, small towns, cozy villages, and green farms. This lets them go to work, visit family, or deliver important things. Another special connection is communication. With phones, emails, and the internet, people can send messages and talk, even if they live far away. This keeps families, schools, and businesses in touch. Trade also connects places. When people buy and sell things like yummy food, comfy clothes, or nice furniture, those goods travel from one place to another. For example, farms grow fresh vegetables and send them to stores in the cities. This shows how towns and farms truly need each other. Work is another big reason people connect to different places. Many grown-ups live in one place but go to work in another. Working together brings people from all sorts of places closer. It helps them share their amazing talents and skills. Schools and hospitals also make people travel. Some children and grown-ups go to schools or hospitals in other towns every single day. Everyone wants good education and health services. If these aren't close by, people will travel to other places to find them. Family and culture connect people's hearts to different places. Families often live in different towns or even countries, but they stay close by visiting or talking. Culture also brings people together for fun festivals, joyful weddings, or special traditions, even if they live far from each other. And finally, there's tourism. People travel from all over the world to visit cool places for fun, learning, or exciting adventures. This connects places all around the globe and also creates exciting jobs for people in the tourism business.